Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me show you how I found the perfect pants for the summer. I've been loving these linen pants by LNX. They are super comfortable, they are super lightweight, and they will keep you cool during these very hot days. This is made out of 50% linen and 50% cotton. You're going to see that the fabric, it's just beautiful. It's a high quality. And you're going to notice that it has an elastic waistband, allowing you to have that perfect fit using the drawstring as well. Something that's a plus and almost a must for me is that it has pockets. You can always throw your phone, your lipstick, your keys, or your credit card in here. I've been loving these pants. They are super flattering. You can dress them up or dress them down. And I'm 5'2", and you're going to see I'm not dragging them. They're just the perfect length. I would highly recommend these pants by LNX. They have a variety of other beautiful colors. You are going to love them and get so many compliments, but that's just my point of view.